Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Tanva. I'm a bridal and editorial makeup artist based out of Bangalore. So today I'll be creating this beautiful half cut crease makeup look for you, which is very easy to create at home. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started with. The first step is to moisturize my face. I'm using the Face Shop Mango Seed Moisturizer, and then I'm going to use a primer. This is silicone based primer from the Smashbox. And then I have to color correct my dark spots which are on the under eyes, and I have few pigmentation marks on my forehead and my mouth area. I'm blending it evenly. Then right after that I'm using this PAC foundation to create my base. I'm using a beauty blender today to evenly spread it out and create a smooth base. Blending it out is very important. Then I'm using PAC Cosmetics concealer to conceal my face. I'm using very minimal product just to highlight. I'm going to blend it out with the beauty blender again. Don't just rub it guys, you have to blend it and dab it wherever you have applied the concealer. Today I'm going to create my eyebrows first. I'm using Maybelline grey eyebrow pencil, keeping it a little lighter than usual. Then I'm going to fix my face with this Krylon spray, and right after that I'm going to powder my face with this PAC Cosmetics compact powder. To contour my face, I'm using this Smashbox contour palette. This has contour colors and highlighting as well. I'm going very light on this. This color is very pigmented. You can see I have applied very little, but how pigmented it is. Just one coat, guys. And using this peachy beautiful blush from the Tarte Cosmetics, I'm applying a little bit on my nose as well. Before I apply my shadows, I'm going to prep up my eyelids. I'm using this LA Girl concealer and then going to powder it off to set the base. Today I'm using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. Taking this beautiful burnt orange color and applying it on the corner, and then taking it all the way to inner corner and blending it out beautifully. Doing the same thing on the other eye as well. Then taking the brownish shade, little darker than the burnt orange, and applying right in between my crease and the lid area and blending it out, and taking a fresh brush and blending both the colors together. Then I'm taking a concealer and trying to create the half cut crease look. Doing the same on the other eye as well. This line is supposed to be really smooth and very sharp. Sometimes it does not appear to be like that, so you need to pay a little more attention to create this. And then setting it off with a white powder. Then taking this magenta color and applying it to the outer corner of my eye. I don't want to apply it throughout. I'm just applying a little bit just to have a hint of this magenta color, which really pops up when you wear anything yellow. Then applying this Stila Cosmetics, this beautiful glitter glow. I'll mention the color name in the description box. And taking a black kajal and applying it on the outer corner of the eye. and creating a shadow. You can use a black eyeshadow as well. I'm trying to create a black shadow in the eyelash line as well. Just very little. And taking a glitter liner, this is a silver color glitter liner. I'm applying on the exact line of the half cut crease to make it very sharp. And then time to create the wing liner, I'm using a liner from Color Bar Cosmetics. You can use a gel liner as well. And my lashes are on, highlighting my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyes as well. For kajal, I am using this Urban Decay 24/7 kajal. I'm applying it on the inner corner waterline as well today, and then blending it out. Then taking the same magenta color and applying on the little lower than the waterline and blending it out so that it creates a shadow. Before I apply my lipstick, I am going to put a lip balm. Using a Bobbi Brown lipstick today. And then a MAC gloss to oomph up the look. For highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty highlighter. And how beautiful this color is. Oh my god. So guys, we are all set. I forgot to mention I did set my face with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And we are all set. So please try to recreate this look and let me know how you feel about this. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. Hey guys, do follow me on Instagram and thank you so much for watching my videos.